Hello students, today we start chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. In this chapter also we discuss about the nomenclature, physical and chemical properties of these compounds. The alcohols are known as alkyl alcohols in common naming, and in IUPAC naming we use suffix "ol" means written as alkanol, alkane plus ol. Classification of alcohol. Alcohol are divided in primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, as already we discussed in chapter alkyl halide. There are some example, one example of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. If two alcohol group OH group present in example, then these are called dihydric alcohols. Similarly, if three OH groups are available in an example, then these are called trihydric alcohol. As you know, allyl group, when alcohol is attached with allyl group, then this is called allyl alcohol. When it is attached with vinyl group, it is called vinyl alcohol. And when OH group is attached to benzyl group, this is called benzyl alcohol. When OH group attached to an aromatic ring, this is called phenol. Here we discuss if OH group is attached with methyl group, with toluene, then this is called cresol. If 1-2 position for OH and CH3, then this is called orthocresol. If the positions are 1 and 3, known as metacresol, and if the position are 1 and 4, this is called paracresol. If two OH group attach at 1 and 2 position, this is called benzene 1,2-diol, or in common naming, this is known as catechol. If at 1,3 position, known as resorcinol, and if OH group present on 1 and 4 position, this is called quinol. Next nomenclature for ethers. Dialkyl ether. Due to the presence of two alkyl group, these are pronounced as dialkyl ether. In IUPAC naming, one alkyl R group is treated as parent chain, and one R which is attached with oxygen is known as or written as alkoxy group. So in IUPAC naming, dialkyl ethers are known as alkoxy alkane. For example, C2H5O C2H5, there are two carbon atom on both the sides. That's why one carbon chain is treated as parent chain and another one as a substituent. If two different alkyl group present in any example, then the longer chain is written as alkane and the smaller with oxygen. So the name of this example is methoxyethane. Aromatic ether. If OCH3, methoxybenzene, the name of methoxybenzene, common name of this example is anisole. So do the in-text question as well as back exercise questions to practice the nomenclature. Do some example. Next we discuss isomerism in alcohol. We already discussed the details of isomerism in last class. So same as we discussed in alkyl halide, alcohols are also shown both the type of isomerism, structural as well as stereoisomerism. Next we discuss the structure of alcoholic group. Water, in case of water, there are two bond pair and two lone pair, and the hybridization is sp3, but the shape is not perfect tetrahedral, it is distorted tetrahedral, or you can say bend shape. When one hydrogen of water is replaced with alkyl group, then it is converted into an alcohol, ROH. So the structure and hybridization is same. The bond angle is slightly less than the tetrahedral bond angle, that is 109 degree 28 minute, and here the bond angle is 108.5 degree. This is due to the more repulsion between bond pair as compared to in case of tetrahedral geometry. So to check your knowledge, I give here some example. So do this practice. Next we discuss the methods of preparation. How to prepare alcohols. So the first preparation we already discussed in last chapter from haloalkane. You know very well, when any alkyl halide is react with aqueous KOH, it convert into alcohol. So this preparation already we discussed. The second preparation is by reduction. By reduction process of aldehyde or ketone or acid or ester, in these group anyone is involved in reduction, then the respective alcohol is formed. In this case we use any common reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogenation in presence of nickel or platinum metal, NaBH4. This NaBH4 is mild reducing agent. It is only used to reduce aldehydes in ketone. Ester and acid cannot be reduced by this reactant, so mainly you use these two, right? So by reduction of alcohol, ketone or acid or ester, these all convert into respective alcohol. The next and very important method is from Grignard reagent. You know, in reduction process, for example, ethanol is reduced, it convert into ethanol. Same carbon atom containing alcohol is formed. But if we want to prepare higher alcohol in which the number of carbon atom is more than respective aldehyde, then the Grignard reagent is used. When we want to prepare primary alcohol, in that case to obtain primary alcohol, we always use methanol, or you can say formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is react with any Grignard reagent, methyl, ethyl, propyl or etc., then we obtain primary alcohol. To prepare secondary alcohol, we use any other aldehyde except the formaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, ethanol, propanol, butanol, so on. In all the aldehyde, all type of aldehyde, when react with Grignard reagent, we obtain secondary alcohol always. To prepare tertiary alcohol, we use ketones. When ketone react with Grignard reagent, naturally the adduct is formed and followed with hydrolysis, we obtain tertiary alcohol. So this reaction is very useful for conversion purpose also. To prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, we use, again I repeat, formaldehyde is used to prepare primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde rather than formaldehyde are convert into secondary alcohol, and to prepare tertiary alcohol we use ketones. The next preparation is from acidic hydrolysis of any alkene. When alkene is involved in hydrolysis in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, ethanol is formed. Suppose यहाँ मैंने लिया है ethene. When ethene is hydrolyzed, it convert into ethanol. But in case of unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov rule is used. According to this rule, the 2-degree product is obtained in measured quantity. Means if propene is hydrolyzed acidic in presence of an acid, it convert into 2-propanol. But if you want to prepare 1-propanol, then this reaction is not used. In that case, either we use the method reaction of an unsymmetrical alkene with HBr in presence of peroxide, 1-bromopropane is formed, and further this reaction is react with aqueous KOH and 1-degree alcohol is formed. Or to direct prepare 1-degree alcohol, we use hydroboration oxidation reaction. In this case, we use diborane. This diborane first convert into trialkyl borane, and further it convert into propanol, or you can say 1-degree product. So this is all about preparation methods of alcohol. In next class, we discuss preparation of phenol as well as some important mechanism. Here there are some questions, so complete these reaction and just check your learning. Thank you.